So for freshmen, as they walk in the door, some of them have a little bit of baking experience, but a lot of them have no experience at all. So that's what we love. We come in, I'm going to teach you all of the basics. We're going to start with safety and sanitation because that's most important. From there, what we do is we go into different baking techniques and mixing techniques, how to use all of the equipment. And then we go into ingredients. So we break down every ingredient we use in the bakery. We make all different types of recipes with those ingredients.
Since I was little, I've loved baking. And it's like a really big thing in my family that we all like to bake and stuff. I heard the opportunity, a teacher recommended it to me. She's like, hey, you should try going for baking. I was really happy. I remember like my mom telling me you got in and I was like so excited.
Starting sophomore year, we get them in here and we just put them to work. We show them how to produce 10 dozen dinner rolls, 4 to 6 dozen pepperoni breads at a time. We do many different types of cakes. We'll do 10 dozen cupcakes at a time. We explain to them what's going on every step of the way. The students have state-of-the-art equipment that you use in here that they would not find in a small bakery, but in a large commercial kitchen. We have a commercial rack oven that fits 20 sheet trays on there. We put it in the oven, it picks it up, it spins it. We actually have a bakery here in our school that everything we produce, we put out into the bakery. So depending what we're learning that day is what we go in there. We do have staples out there, which are dozens of donuts every day. I give the kids carte blanche a lot of times to create a donut. The public can come in to our store starting at 3:30 till 7:30, Monday through Thursday.
So by junior year, we're like fine-tuning their skills. We're working on plating desserts and we're doing restaurant-style desserts, so everything's a little bit smaller compared to what they're going to do their sophomore year and their senior year. We do specialty items and we do experimental items, so they get to practice with different types of ingredients that they wouldn't normally get, and then we get to do frozen desserts, which includes ice cream.
You learn so many skills with this course, like from breads to decorating to piping, everything. And so we really got to learn like the whole process of production and all the processes. But you can really go from so many fields from just this course.
Some pathways, they could become a chocolatier, they can become cake decorators, they can open their own business. I have a student already that she has a license and she produces and she has her own little store.
I was like, why not try and make a profit from this if it's something I really enjoy? So I took a course to get my cottage license so that I could sell things from home and at like farmers markets and certain events like that. There's a lot of protocols you got to follow, like there's a lot of steps, and it took some time, but we got it to work.
We have students working at ShopRite. We prepare them to go out and be able to get a job once they leave here. As long as they put the work in, they are absolutely able to do that. So our students do receive certifications.
But once they're certified for 5 years, and that will help them out in the industry because that's a nationally recognized certification.
That is a good credential to have to go out into the industry. Someone in every bakery, restaurant has to have a Serve Safe certificate. That will give them a leg up on somebody else that may not have it.
It's not only for the skills that you learn, but just the people and the experience you get being in this field. It's really unmatched, the programs here. It's really so hands-on.
I think everywhere you go, people are going to want to eat, and people want the dessert. So dessert is the thing that everyone remembers. You go out to dinner, what's the thing you remember the most? The dessert. So in order to be able to make that dessert, to make that memory for people, it's like a satisfaction of pleasing everyone.